Chapter on Fondling a Menstruating Wife. Narrated Aisha, may Allah be pleased with her, the Prophet, peace be upon him, and I used to take a bath from a single pot while we were junub. Aisha added, may Allah be pleased with her, and he, peace be upon him, used to order me to put on an izar, dress worn below the waist, and used to fondle me, while I used to be in my periods, menses. Aisha added, may Allah be pleased with her, while in itikaf, he, peace be upon him, used to bring his head near me, and I would wash it while I used to be in my periods, menses. Narrated Abdurrahman bin al-Aswad on the authority of his father, Aisha, may Allah be pleased with her, said, whenever Allah's Messenger, peace be upon him, wanted to fondle any one of us during her periods, menses, he used to order her to put on an izar and start fondling her. Aisha, may Allah be pleased with her, added, none of you could control his sexual desire as the Prophet, peace be upon him, could. Narrated Maimuna, may Allah be pleased with her, whenever Allah's Messenger, peace be upon him, wanted to fondle any of his wives during their periods, menses, he used to ask her to wear an izar,